this video, we are going to see how to make a werewolf face. So for that, you need an origami paper. First, you need to keep an origami paper and fold it in half. Unfold it and then should fold in half to the middle. Then you should repeat it for the opposite side. Now you need to fold it in half. Unfold it and fold it. Fold this corner to the middle line. And repeat it for the other side. Unfold it, and then you will see a square in here. Should fold inside the square in a triangle like this. Should fold it the two sides. Unfold them, and you can see a line. You should take out like this till the edge and push it inside, and you should get like this. Repeat it for the other side. Then you should turn 90 degrees in your right side. And to make the teeth, you should fold it like this. Repeat it for the other side. Now you should make a small fold above the teeth. Only a small fold, and repeat it for the other side. Now you should open the folds, and you should do a mountain fold, which is to fold it back side. And then you will have something like this. Now you should take this and fold it where you can see the corner like this. Repeat it for the other side. Now you should rotate it and fold it like this. Now you can see the whole face of it. Now you should fold these two corners inside. Then you should make a small fold in here like this and crease it nicely. Unfold it and open these corners like this till a certain point and make a little fold. Now you should press this like this so that you can get the nose. Now you should again mountain fold it, which is to fold it back side like this. Now you got the nose and the teeth. Now to make the ears. To make the ears, you would make a small fold till the center line like this. Like this. Repeat it for the other side. And it should be equal. Now through this point, through this line, you should make small fold till this line and press it nicely. Now you should make a fold like this in backwards, and you should make a zigzag fold like this so that you can get the ears done like this. You can also make huge ears like that. Repeat it for the other side. After you get it, you will get a werewolf. Then you should fold these behind like this so that you can get the slanting shape of the mouth. And that's it. You got yourself a werewolf. Now to draw the eyes, I take a sketch. I draw it like this. And take another light sketch and draw the eyes inside. Now you got yourselves a scary werewolf. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another interesting topic. Bye.